That way.
Point it that way. Now pull the trigger. Pull it.
Try, bro.
Pull it. Okay, Donnie.
Damn.
You alright?
Yeah, it's a lot of kick. I wasn't expecting it.
Boom!
Ah!
Boy.
The coconuts don't like these too much.
You gotta hit something that's still up there then. Jesus Christ! You feel the percussion off of it?
Hell yeah, man. Hey man, this is just a little bit below mag. What hell did I hit?
The tree.
You blew the hell out of the tree.
You fucking killed that poor tree.
If you hit it right in the middle, you'll cut it in half.
That tree will never fuck with you again, I promise.
It's not a weapon to be fucked with, let's put it that way. This is what you dick.
I don't think me
Disgusting.
laughing with a gun in my hand is not good.
That's just the ash.
It weighs a lot.
Yeah, it does be. Donnie, you got that gun cocked. It's ready to go, so watch it.